Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Carolyn. I just do a different variety of different projects, craft, digital products, you name it, I do it. So I come on here real quick because I have got some requests about how to use the prompts with the guide sheet that's on my Etsy shop. So this is going to be very quick. I am going to show you how you are able to use PDF files and guide sheets inside of Chatgpt. So I am going to come over here to Dall-E, which is inside of Chatgpt. So you have to have a pro version in order to add the prompts inside of Chatgpt. However, you are able to use these prompt sheets and guides in any kind of software that you use to generate your images. But this is just going to be how to use your prompt sheets for inside of ChatGPT. So first thing that you're going to do is I'm going to show you real quick. Once you purchase the download off of my Etsy shop, you're going to get a prompt sheet. It's going to pop up like this. Once you click on this section here, let me click off of that. Once you click on the prompt sheet, you're going to click here. This is going to pop up. So you want to be able to take this entire sheet and put inside of ChatGPT. You are going to come to File. You're going to hit Downloads. And you are going to click comma separated values, CSV. Then it's going to show up in your computer. Next, you're going to go back to ChatGPT, Dall-E. You're going to hit a section down here that looks like a paper clip. It's going to tell you to attach the file. You should see a sheet that looks like this. It's going to have an X green with an A next to it. Then you are going to hit that, and then you are going to hit open. Now, once you hit open, you're going to come over here and you are going to hit the arrow. So now you see that the sheet has completely uploaded inside of ChatGPT. Okay. So now what you're going to do, you are going to click on whatever prompt you want to use. I'm going to click on number 4 just for references, and it's going to populate down in the ChatGPT section where the message Dall-E is. You are going to, I don't know what this cell word is. You can right click this, right click and hit copy, and then you're going to go to the message section, and you're going to paste, and then you're going to hit the arrow that says up. This is how your image is going to populate inside of Dall-E with the prompt sheet. Okay, so say like you want to create multiple images to populate at one time. You simply tell Dall-E, create images using the prompt listed above. And then you tell them create. Well, you can do this at the beginning. So I like to do 5 images at a time. So create 5 images using the prompt list above. And then you're going to put, please, no breaks in between images. Okay, so this will give you an option to have more than 1 or 2 images populated at a time. Now, if you try to generate images too fast, the system will let you know that you reached a certain limit, And then you will have to come back and you will have to, like, as you can see what just happened here. So it says here are 5 continuous images. It just only gave me 2. Here are 5 continuous images generated based on the prompts given. Okay, so this is what I'm going to tell it a little bit more detail. Create me 5 images listed from the, create me 5 images using the prompt listed above. And then you can say, please, no breaks in between generations. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh, I messed up right here. I'm supposed to put above. Now see, there it is. Now it's generating more. Okay. Now here's 4. Okay. So here is a total of 4 images that they prompted. Okay. And so this is how you are able to generate your images. So now I'm going to show you how you are able to do the same thing with a regular PDF file. So I am going to go back to my computer. I am going to find a regular PDF file. I'm going to do this one. Okay. So let's see, I'm going to go back and click out of here real quick. So I'm going to hit the attach files. I'm going to go upload to my computer. I am going to scroll down and I am going to find, let's see, a file that I did for Black History. I don't know if it's going to generate, but let me see. I'm going to just do a Mardi Gras file. Should I not? Just going to hit a file. Okay, I'm going to just do Black History. I'm going to hit OK. Open up. Okay, so the difference is, as you can see that the black button is here, if you upload this as is, it's not going to give you a list. It's just going to tell you like, hey, it's not going to give you a list. And I'm going to show you real quick. So it's not going to give you the list like the sheet did. It's just going to let you know that, hey, this is a Black History PDF file, as you can see. See, this is what it is right here. So you can just tell this to create, please, create me, I'm put 5 images using the prompts above. Please, no generations in between please no generations. Let me go back. Please no breaks in between generations. And let's see what happens. Now you see the difference. The PDF gave you the PDF broke down a list, created a list of its own, and then the sheet that I provided, it actually put the actual prompts inside of a grid, on here that you could click on. But either way, either method is fine. If you are adding the whole list inside of ChatGPT, you have to have the pro version. Okay. So then I'm just going to hit generate. Well, let's see if it will break down if it would give you more images than just the 5 images. Let's see if it would give you 5 images. Okay. Now you see how it generated just one image. It says, please create me 5 images. Okay, there it is. It's taking its time. Okay. All right. So this is a Black History file that I did. I think I have this up for sale too. But this is just to show you how you are able to generate more than just one image at a time on ChatGPT. Okay, so this is how you are able to use a prompt list or PDF file inside of ChatGPT. You are able to use the prompt list or the prompt file inside of other AIs as well. So I'm just going to go back to that prompt list and I want to show you real quick. Say like I am taking that file that I just had, the Black History file, and I know I gotta get me a drive because all of this is starting to be like a lot. So I'm going to click back on here, and this is what the actual prompt sheet looks like if you're not using it inside of ChatGPT. Okay, so this bundle is listed as well, but this bundle is on my pin site that's on the bio section of my YouTube channel. You will click on this, and that file that file will open up, and you will get all of those images. So once you purchase this file off of my YouTube channel, you can click on here. The site where you need to purchase the file is on my YouTube channel, and the bio is called bio. It's called Pen Site, excuse me. So you would click on digital files. You would get this prompt guide. Now this is the Black History file, and you would get all of these images as well. All right. So this is what you will get if you purchase this file off of my YouTube channel in the bio section. These files are not listed on Etsy. So you would get that prompt guide that I just showed you for Black History, and you would get all of these images. All right. So I am going to come back over here real quick. And just to show you, this is how you are able to use the prompts that's inside of, oh, it generated more. See, I didn't even know that. So it generated more images. And also, now I like her. Yeah, I like her. She came out cute. So I don't know, I might add some more images to that file. All right. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, you can leave them in the section here on my YouTube channel, or you can inbox me on Etsy. Remember that my pen site on my YouTube channel has digital files now. Like I said, I'm transitioning. I do still have files on Etsy, but I would like to utilize my digital store a little bit more. If you are new to my channel, thank you. Don't forget to click, like, share, and subscribe. And welcome to my YouTube channel. And like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you are someone who does not like to do images, digital art, and if you need artwork, if you need some creations, I will create images for you as well. So just hit me up, and feel free to reach out at any time. So thank you. You guys have a nice evening.